I am Sameha from our subscription Creations. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make popstick basket and popstick coaster. This is fun DIY to do when you are bored part 2. So let's get started. To make the basket you will need 4 popsticks and a half cutted popstick. Now I am sticking the popsticks with hot glue gun. I am using here hot glue gun, but obviously you can use here any kind of strong glue. Like this I have made 3 sides, one in orange color and 2 in red color. Let's make another size. For this you will need 4 half cutted popstick and a popstick whose measurement is 2 inches. Now sticking them like the previous one. I will make 2 like this. Now sticking all the sides as a box with hot glue gun. And it's ready. I'm definitely gonna put all of my glues in this box. What you wanna put in this box, let me know in the comment box below. Moving to the next idea. This is a coaster out of popstick. For this, you have to stick some popsticks like this. I'm sticking popsticks with a hot glue gun randomly. Obviously, you can use here any strong glue. And it's ready. I'm definitely gonna put it in my tea table. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. No more today. Thanks for watching.